Hello, my lovely made Chassis Peps. Welcome back to a new vlog. Definitely, my out of the country trip will not be completed without luxury shopping. I know you love my luxury shopping and luxury fashion brands vlogs. That's why we will have luxury shopping here in Ho Chi Minh. And you will be surprised later. Oh my god, I'm pretty excited to show you now my lovely made Chassis Peps. So stay tuned. And first stop, Rex Hotel. Ano, pasok ba ka doon sa side o sa loob? Ay, dyan tayo. Oo nga. Dito tayo papasok. Shopping arcade ito. Ganda. Ganda nung ano. Christian lubutan ko din. Ano shoes nila? Hindi ka punta tayo. Ayan. Pwede rin yan.
Ask them first or...
Maganda oh. This one also on sale?
Yeah, this one is 22 million.
22 million. Only this one sale?
Yeah.
This area?
Yeah, on here.
Okay, 40%.
40.
40.
Yeah. And from new from and
This one? Ah. Wow, this is so nice. This is the new bag.
yeah.
How much is this?
This one. Yeah, this one is 51.
51 million. Nice. How about the big one? How much? 170.
Yeah, this one 75 million.
Yeah, I see. This is for men?
Yeah, this one.
Ah. Oh, for men. Oh, for men. Ah, this one also. Do you have for female like this?
Yeah, this 40.
This one is for female?
No, this one is purple.
Oh. Ah, this one for women. Yeah, but only black. 25 million. Nice. Sale. Oh, how much is this? 23,900. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nice. 14, yeah. 14 million. Is this a diary or notebook? Ah, a Belle Royale. You have this. This is Guerlain. So if you have 20 million, you will give this.
One in three is
Nice.
20
million.
Yeah, guess one.
You can pick one.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this. This is also on sale? Yeah. On sale?
Let me check.
So nice. Cute, no? Eh, so cute, no? Oo nga eh. Event, no? Bagay sa'yo yan.
Cute.
Diba? Oh. Is that on sale?
40%.
40%. So how much is that?
48 million.
40?
48 million. Yeah.
Less 40%. Discount. 82 then 40. How much? 8.9. 18,000. O, diba? Meron pala outstore dito eh. Diba? Hindi ko alam. Nasaan ang Chanel? Nasaan here? Ito na. Straight. Oo nga. Ito na. Naku, good luck. Ay, may Versace din. Hello, my mamas and Jessicas. This is our last day here in Vietnam. And we are here in Chanel. So let's see if they will allow me to shoot. Okay? Then later, hopefully, see you.
Yeah.
That's this one?
Back.
Okay. Okay. This one? What do you call that?
Yeah.
The white, yeah. What do you call that? What kind of bag is that? Oh, diba 38 lang? With is 2019.
Madam, let's picture.
Picture. Only few clips, but it's a success. Okay?
Oh, yeah, it's so good.
How much?
Yung joke yun. Yung joke yun.
59. Eh, pwede.
Yun ang patuloy.
Ito din, oh. So, how much is this?
24 cái giá.
24?
Discount at 10%.
Ah, 10%. Ang bigat nito.
Discount
Discount? Is it sale?
40%.
Ah, 40%. Ito yun, oh, meron siya nito. Ganda naman ito. After discount. All of the shoes?
46.
46. But I have no size.
30.
Up to 50%. 20%. 40. This one is 40. 50?
Yes.
Ay, sorry. 50. 50%. So, how much is this? Can you walk on this? 32 less 50? Oh my God. This one, 40%. Oh my God. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Naiinis ako. 39. Yes. It will not fit me. 40%. So, the amount is 31. 40%. This one also 40%? 30%. Try mo nga lang. Try mo. Bagay sa damit.
Hindi ko siya kaya.
Ganda. Hindi ka siya sa akin eh. Do you have 39 of this?
Dito lang.
Ay, ang cute! 30%? Ang cute naman nito. 30%. Oh, ito ba? This one also? 30%? 40%. So, how much is this? Cute naman ito. Ang ganda. Eh, ginaya nga din ng ano yan. Yan.
Today is the last day of sale.
Oh, but
Today?
Today, but we don't have our size. 40%? This one? $10%. All the clothes. Oh my God. So, it's so nice to, ano talaga, to buy luxury here. Cheaper here in Vietnam. Ganda. This one, 40%. 55. 79. So, 55%. After discount, 35. 30%. So, how much? Parang gusto ko nito.
Rolex mo.
Ganon yun ako. But how much is your sunglasses?
21.
21. But it's really... Oh.
52.
Oh, no black. This one how much? 50 off then? 50 off. So I like this one black. No. Ah, 10% only. Nice too. Ganda nito. Okay. Joey!
Hello,
I'm
Joey.
with, Louie.
Hello,
Yeah. So I visited Tiffany and Co here in Union Square.
Units where
And they are sold out of the necklace. Good thing you ordered it for me. Alright. Thank you, Louie. Thank you so much. Thank you.
See you later, Joey.
Wow! Ganda. Wow, this is nice. How much is this? Nice. I like that. 145 million.
Yeah.
Nice Pilipinas. This is so nice. How much is this? At this leather. Nice. This is small, right? 130 million. This is small, right? The wallet, how much? Do you have a long wallet like this?
This one don't have long.
Ah, okay.
This one 17 million.
So how much is this? Ganito bago. $17,500,000. Yeah. 17,500,000. This one, the classic, how much? This one. This one, the rose gold. Right, this is 16 million, 16 million and 36. Then this one is, dati 26 lang to dear. This one is 19,500,000. Ito yung bago. This one is how much, miss? It's 25,500,000. Collection. Jorama, yeah. It's just launched this month. Yeah. This is nice. Ah, there is a heel. With the heel, how much is with the heel? 28 million. Nice. Holy moly, my love is made Josephus. I cannot believe that I was able to film inside Chanel boutique. Oh my god. And it's my really first time to feel and touch some of the bags and shoes of Chanel. Yes, so happy. And the CAs of all the luxury brands in Vietnam are so kind and warm. So that's a wrap for now, my lovelies, my Josephus, and hope you enjoyed this luxury vlog in Vietnam. Until next time, my lovelies, my Josephus. Hi! Kaloka!